Friends, I Robinson. Welcome to our YouTube channel Star Science Robinson. Let's get into topic. Esophageal atresia with tracheoesophageal fistula. So esophageal atresia is nothing but it is a failure of esophagus to form a continuous passage from the pharynx to stomach during embryonic development. It is usually associated with tracheoesophageal fistula. So tracheoesophageal fistula, it is a abnormal connection between trachea and esophagus. So that is the thing we have to remember. There are 5 types of esophageal atresia with tracheoesophageal fistula. So we'll see one by one, and first we'll see what is esophageal atresia. The esophageal atresia, where it is a blind end in esophagus, it will not connect to any other part or area. So when we come for the tracheoesophageal fistula, it will have a connection with trachea. The esophagus will have a connection or joins to trachea. So that is the thing which will happen in this particular region. First of all, in the embryonic stage, how it will go for a proper development, we'll see in this picture. As I'm drawing this picture, this is esophagus diagram in embryonic stage, and now I am going for the esophagus at 4th week of the embryonic stage, when the development of lung buds, esophagus, and this is respiratory diverticulum, so which will happen in this phase at 4th week. So we'll see one by one. So this phase, it is called as a respiratory diverticulum. It is respiratory bud form, or in sometimes it is also called lung buds, which we are showing in our diagram. So this part, it is called as a esophagus. So this is about the embryonic stage at 4th week. Here is the division forming, where it is tracheoesophageal septum. So that the thing which we are seeing in our diagram. So at 4th week. So here there is a just joining of the esophagus, at the same time respiratory diverticulum or the lung buds. But when it enters into the 4th to 5th week of the embryonic stage, start properly division of trachea and esophageal septum. 4th to 5th week of embryonic stage. So now I'm showing you in our diagram, it is a foregut. So it is an anterior part of the gut towards the mouth, so which will be at 4th to 5th week. Now we are seeing about the properly 5th week. At the end of the 5th week of the embryonic stage, you will have a properly formed esophagus, at the same time a trachea. So mainly if you see the buds, lung buds, it will now develop into a bronchial buds. So I'm showing you in our diagram. So when there is no proper formation or the development of this particular stages, then it will go for esophageal atresia with tracheoesophageal fistula. In this first type, it is a type A. It is around 10%. So mainly I will show about the esophagus. So the blind end of the esophagus is in proximal. So it is esophageal with no tracheoesophageal fistula, and it is having a blind end at each proximal and distal part of the esophagus. So that is the first type A we are seeing in our diagram. So next part of our topic, it is a type B. It is less than 1%. So it is esophageal atresia with proximal tracheoesophageal fistula. So here there will be no connection at the distal part of the esophagus, but it will have a connection with trachea at the proximal part of the esophagus. So that is the thing which we are seeing here. So the upper portion of the esophagus is connected to the trachea. So next, type C, it is common and it is around 85%. So it is esophageal atresia and it is having a distal tracheoesophageal fistula. So it doesn't have a connection in esophageal atresia in proximal, but it is having a distal part of the esophagus connected to trachea. So next we are seeing about the type D. It is less than 1% and it is esophageal atresia with proximal So tracheoesophageal fistula with distal tracheoesophageal fistula. So here the both end of the esophagus will be connected to the trachea. Next, type E, it is around 4%. We can call it as H type, and it has a tracheoesophageal fistula both upper and lower segment of the esophagus in the trachea by a fistula. So in between of the esophagus and trachea there is a joining of a fistula. So that is the thing which you're seeing in this type. Right now I'm showing you in our diagram. So it resembles as a H shape, so it is also H type. So here no esophageal atresia. So now I'm showing in our diagram, it is a diaphragm division between thoracic and abdomen. Thank you friends for watching this video. It's Star Science Robinson. Thank you once again for watching. Thank you.